So this is how the Autograder works. So what we have is two test cases. We have one student who has two different assignments. Assignment 3 for data representation and assignment 2. It just serves as a quick introductory practice to C programming. So the student will come in and change some of the code here. So for now, let's just look at what the current feedback is based on his code, which he did about 3 minutes ago. So this is the current feedback it has. So we come here also too, we look at the feedback. This is also the current feedback it has. All right, so now we're gonna change some of the code. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a semicolon out of line 16, commit the changes. So this is one of my assignments, and I'm gonna go to the next assignment so that I can do this simultaneously. And I'm gonna take the semicolon out of line 10. The previous one was line 16. So we can see here that this is running on this. The previous job I ran has auto-graded and succeeded. So we can come here and we can look at the feedback. As you can see, it knows there's a syntax issue within the code, and it just gave the student the feedback. This feedback is different from the previous feedback we saw. Similar, this one is also finished. So I can come to the feedback. And it also knows there's a syntax error. So how does it know all this stuff? First of all, it uses the previous model of the auto-grading system and then gives a feedback to the student. So this is what was the previous model. It will just give the student this information with the points. So similar to here, it's the same system. It just uses that information, formulates a reasonable feedback for the student, and also it reviews the README, which are the instructions for the student. So let's go back, and now let's do this one first. So I'm gonna fix the code and put it back to where it was. So this is the one I just edited. And I'm gonna commit it. And this is real time, so the video is not fast forwarded in any way. Now commit this too. You can see this one is also succeeded, both of them, very quick. And they both have different responses. So now the response is different. It's associated to how this is already graded by the autograder. And we come here too, we go to the feedback. Now also here the response is different based on how the student code is evaluated by the autograder. And that's our auto grading machine. Thank you.